My first little harvest of zucchini. So I have a yellow squash, and I think this one is called the gray zucchini, and this one here I just call it regular zucchini, but there is a name and I'm not sure what the name of it is, but how cute. This one here almost got a little bit too big, but we're gonna make something out of them. Let's go out to the garden. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I get my zucchinis to produce more than, I guess, average. Yeah, so let's go down here and take a look. Here's my little zucchini patch. I have some that's little teeny tiny that hasn't produced anything yet, but they do have some bloom on them. I think some of these are actually cucumbers. And there is some zucchini down in there. I could probably harvest that other one down there. And I could probably harvest that one. I'll just twist, 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 and pop him off. There we go. There he is. All right, so what I like to do, when you harvest them kind of small, they will continue to produce flowers. So see, there's all these little flowers. That is potential future zucchini. It's like this guy right here. There's all these little new growths. So plants, get my camera to focus back in. Plants are designed to keep its future family going by producing fruit to make seed. And once you let a squash get too big, it's already done its job because there's seeds that's going to be in that plant or in that fruit, and it can stop producing. But as long as you are harvesting when they are small, they're going to continue to try to reproduce because they want to make those seeds, and they'll keep throwing off these flowers as long as the season's good. See, there's little tiny buds down in there, and then you have this beautiful flower here. Now this one here, you could wait a day, let it get a little bit bigger, but I'm going to go ahead and harvest him. And you can even do this like if you're going on vacation or away for a weekend, because these can get big pretty quickly. So if you're going to be away, you can actually harvest these. Go ahead and harvest them, because if they get too big, then a plant thinks, oh, I've already done my job and I don't need to produce anymore. Then it will stop producing buds, flowers. Oh, there's a bee. Look, he's pollinating. A little honeybee. A little guy. Oh, I just love it. Okay, focus, focus, focus. So if you go ahead and harvest them while they're little, especially if you're going to be away for the weekend or a few days, go ahead and pick them off so that way your plant will keep producing. Because if you come back in like say a day, because these weren't on here yesterday, so this is like one day's growth. So if you're going to be gone for a while, it's going to get big because they can grow very quickly. Then the plant will already have seeds in it that's mature size, and your plant will stop producing flowers and stop producing fruit. So you want to make sure you're harvesting enough for the season, the potential of that plant. Now last year I've done this where I harvest the small ones like this, and I got 42 from one plant. That is like amazing, and I just kept harvesting. It's a vehicle. It's one thing I dislike about living in town, because there's road pollution and stuff, so making sure, even though I grow organically, I'm really still have to wash everything because of that annoyance. So there's the guys I just got today. So we're going to take them in the house. I get sidetracked very easily. I'm like walking by, oh, my tomatoes, let's go check on them. Mushroom basket, I believe is what this one's called. I got from the In My Gardener. And I got a big one right back there. He's a pretty good size. And I got a bunch of these little hate these little freaking things, but look at that. Those are going to be nice little snacking tomatoes. And I brought in some flowers to help pollinate. I didn't think about it when I planted all this in here because I wanted some beneficial flowers in here to help pollinate, but they grew bigger than I had expected them to. I don't remember the variety of these little guys, but these are going to be yellow. The yellow tomatoes. There they are. I'm really excited. Horsetail. I'll have to talk about medicinal purposes of horsetail, but right now he's in my tomato bed and he's annoying me. But yeah, I got all these really pretty flowers. Look at that. So pretty. Petunias, some zinnias. And this one here, I think, is another mushroom basket. Tomatoes. Oh, right back there. And then over here, these are starting to flower. My greenhouse had tumbled over in a windstorm and my tomatoes got all mixed up when they landed on the ground, so I'm not sure what some of the varieties are. The other ones I did know the variety. I sold them at farmer's market. These ones I do know are called ground cherry, and I may have to take one of these tomato plants out because these get really big. But there we go, right there. So they get these, I've not grown these before, but from my understanding they get these little tomato-like, this kind of reminds me of the tomatillos, but they get the little cherry in there. It's supposed to be really sweet. This is my first year growing. I have a couple, 2 or 3 in here. Here's another plant. There he is. And this is a carrot that, this originally was my carrot bed and the carrots did not do so well, but I did get 2 of them that grew and I just kind of just left him in here. He's gonna flower. I want to get some seeds from him. So, and I have all different kinds of basil. I know this is supposed to be a zucchini supposed to be a zucchini video, but I got sidetracked and I wanted to show you the rest of my stuff. So, oh squirrel. Look at my artichokes. A little baby right there. So this is the first year for this one, so I probably won't harvest. I may do that one, but I want to see how pretty he is. I might just let him go ahead and bloom. I have another one, but he's not doing so well in the area I planted him. And the other artichokes I sold. I did talk about medicinal purposes of the artichoke leaf in a video. I may go ahead and link the video to that down below because it does have a lot of medicinal purposes for artichoke leaf. But yeah, he's got a baby down there. But usually you harvest these in the second year. So I may just go ahead and let him flower. Curious to see what his flower looks like. I've seen him pink, I've seen him purple and white. So I'm just kind of curious to see what he's going to look like. Here's the other side of that tomato bed. Got this tomato here. I trimmed him up quite a bit, but he is just taking off like crazy. I've been using comfrey tea to fertilize this whole bed, and this stuff has taken off like crazy. Probably a little bit too much. But look at these different kind of zinnias. Hey, Miss Luna. Oh no, you can't jump on mommy. No, you hurt mommy when you jump on. Ah, get off of me! Yeah, I got petunias. So pretty. I love flowers. The bees love them too. Ain't that right, Miss Luna? Alright, I didn't mean for this to be a 9.5 minute video, but it is, so sorry. Got excited. Alright, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, comment down below any hacks that you guys have tried with your tomatoes or zucchinis. I know it's a zucchini video, remember that. We'll do a tomato video maybe later. But if you've had success, and how many zucchinis have you gotten off of one plant? Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!